So I get this email from my brother. We both go camping a lot, so we're into generators. This is coming from Costco. We've got a Firman 3200w inverter generator for $549 delivered. Great deal. I pulled the trigger. Let's go take a look at it. Here it is. Here's the box that came in. Basic generator, 3200w inverter. It included oil funnel, a little mini tool set. Pretty easy to set up. I'll show you how to add oil to it. As you can see, it's got some features on it. USB port here to safely charge laptops and cell phones. Got my travel trailer hook up there. Got two plugs there. 12 VDC. You got your on button. You have eco mode. You got your choke. Pretty simple to operate. To change the oil, it's simple. You got 4 bolts on the back. Open that container. Got some soundproofing there. Here's your oil reservoir right here. Open it up. Fill it with the oil that it came with. Close it. And then run it for a break-in period. I ran this for about 20 hours to break it in before testing it on trailer appliances as well as tools. We're gonna do a little demonstration here. Show you what it runs. We'll run multiple tools at the same time. Also, we'll cut some material. Let's take a look. Here we go. All right, let's start it up. Turn it on. Keep it off eco mode. Open the choke. Give it a couple pulls. And eco mode. Now the generator is fairly light. You got 2 handles for transportation. You also have an extension handle to roll it. We will run a table saw and a shop vac at the same time. We will run a tile wet saw and a 12-inch compound miter saw cutting material at the same time. Not a problem. All right, guys, we got the Firman inverter generator, 3200 watt. What we're gonna try to do is attempt to run all appliances in my travel trailer simultaneously. We're gonna run the AC on high, air conditioning unit. We're gonna run the refrigerator. We're also gonna run the microwave, all at the same time to see if this thing can keep running and not overload. So let's take a look. All right, let's turn the fridge on. Electric. Got the AC unit here. Blowing cold and strong. And the final test is the microwave, obviously. This thing draws more power than any appliance in here. We'll try popcorn. I hear the generator working pretty hard, but everything runs. Let's go take a look. Gets a little loud if you got all three things working at once. No problems. Now I got the Firman in my generator quiet box. I will post a link on how to build something like this in the description below. If you camp at places where they frown on generators, this is a must. It drastically lowers the noise level. Cord outlet, exhaust, fan for airflow. Now I've been running this generator with the quiet box on top of it about 3 to 4 hours per day, twice a day. Going on day 5 here, the generator does not overheat, gets proper airflow, nothing blows up, nothing catches on fire, definitely reduces the sound. It weighs maybe 17 pounds. It's easy to pick up and put in the back of your truck. Your wife can pick it up and turn the generator off. Great idea to reduce the sound level of a generator. Well, there you guys have it. Definitely recommend this Firman generator. It runs everything I throw at it. Thanks for watching this quick review. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button below.